led by Group Captain A. Mathur, flying in from your front. Ladies and gentlemen, flying in next will be the Tiranga formation, commemorating 75 years of India's independence. The formation has C-17 in the lead, with Group Captain Rahul Singh in captaincy, closely followed by the Suryakiran aerobatic team. Ladies and gentlemen, to your right, the C-17 and the Suryakiran team trailing the tricolor. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Your very own Suryakiran aerobatic team, popularly known as the ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, is one of the few 9 aircraft aerobatic teams in the world and the only one in Asia. Ladies and gentlemen, weather plays a very important role in all display flying. Based on today's weather, the team leader will decide the maneuvers that are being carried out. But I can guarantee that the team will be making an endeavor to put on the best show. I am Flight Lieutenant Ridhima, the team commentator, and I will be guiding you through today's display profile. Coming in from your left, you will soon be able to see the team led by our commanding officer, Group Captain Anup Singh, Vayu Sena Medal, in the shape of a NAT aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, keep looking to your left as the team is approaching in the shape of a NAT aircraft. Interestingly, this is the same aircraft which fought in the Battle of Boira. Let me tell you that flying behind number 1 is number 4, Wing Commander Nautiyal, and behind him is number 7, Wing Commander Bhatt. Numbers 1, 4 and 7 form the spine of all formations, whereas the even numbers 2, 6 and 8 form the right flank, and the numbers 3, 5 and 9 form the left flank. Gentlemen, soon you will see the team from your left in the shape of Tejas aircraft. This aircraft has been made in India, made for India. देवी एवं सज्जनों, जल्द ही आपकी बाईं तरफ से आप टीम को देख पाएंगे तेजस एयरक्राफ्ट की आकृति में. The team has displayed in over 500 cities across India, and we have covered from Srinagar to Kanyakumari and from Nalia to Chabua. We also undertook a Southern India flypast to mark the Swarnim Vijay Varsh of 50 years since the war of 1971. We shall be covering the rest of the beautiful skies of our country in the near future. Ladies and gentlemen, soon you will see the team coming in from your left, and they will turn into a diamond right in front of your eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, look to your left as the outermost members will soon tuck in and form a diamond. This diamond is dedicated to the 89th Air Force anniversary. And as they are turning, let me tell you that you will see the team in the shape of an inverted triangle. In military parlance, the same is known as a delta platform. The current aircraft on Indian Air Force's inventory with delta platform are MiG-21, Mirage 2000, Tejas, look to your right and you will see number 7 fluttering down like a leaf in the autumn. Beware, because number 7 is ready to cook up a storm. Number 7 will be dropping down his height to check in on the Josh level of the audience. Number 7, wave your hands confirming that the Josh is still high, sir. Aerobatics has always been an integral part of the Indian Air Force. We started in the year 1982 with the Thunderbolts team, and they shone bright in the skies till 1990, which led to the genesis of Suryakiran Aerobatic Team, named after the rays of the sun. And approaching straight ahead is the Suryakiran team, trailing the tricolor. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not done yet. We were earlier flying at 150 meters, but now we're bringing the thrill lower and closer to you, and will be flying at a mere 100 meters above the ground. Soon you will see number 8 Squadron Leader Navjot and number 9 Squadron Leader Salaria with the statement, Ye Dil Mange More. Look to your 12 o'clock as they're pulling up for a loop. And there we have a heart in the sky. Bordoloi, Squadron Leader Bhalla, Wing Commander Udit, Squadron Leader Bhardwaj and Squadron Leader Himanshu. The aircraft being operated by the team are Hawk Mark 132, and keeping it ready for action is our maintenance team led by Wing Commander Rena, Squadron Leader Suraj and Squadron Leader Sham with their skilled technicians. will be numbers 1, 2, 1, 3 for a corkscrew maneuver. In this very interesting maneuver, we have flying as number 2, Squadron Leader Garg, and as number 3, Wing Commander Atul. It is a photo-worthy moment, and drawing circles behind 1 and 2 will be number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, look to your far right, and there you can see the corkscrew maneuver. And ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale and for the last maneuver of the day, we have the reflection maneuver for you. To your far right, you will soon see approaching number 4 and number 7, making a perfect reflection of each other in the sky, showing off the precision, prowess and skills of the Suryakiran team. Ladies and gentlemen, with that last maneuver, we wish you a very happy 89th Air Force anniversary. We hope that you enjoyed the show as much as we enjoyed presenting it to you. Back to the Air Force commentators, Jai Hind.
After the enthralling display by the Suryakiran Aerobatics team, it is time now for the present generation.
89वीं वायु सेवा सेना